Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use KuCoin bots. First, navigate to the Trading Bot section within the KuCoin app or website. You'll find various bot types like Spot Grid, Futures Grid, and Smart Rebalance. Choose a strategy that aligns with your investment goals and risk tolerance. This initial step is crucial for setting up your automated trading journey effectively. Once you've selected a bot type, you'll need to configure its settings. Choose a trading pair like BTC versus UST and specify your investment amount. You can set profit targets and define stop-loss levels to manage potential risks. Carefully review all parameters before activating your bot to ensure it meets your expectations. After your bot is running, it's important to monitor its performance regularly. KuCoin provides detailed analytics showing your bot's profit and loss in real time. You can adjust parameters if market conditions change, or pause and restart the bot as needed. Knowing when to stop a bot is just as important as knowing how to start one. For more experienced users, KuCoin offers advanced bot features, including AI-powered strategies that can adapt to market changes. Consider diversifying your bot portfolio across various assets to spread risk. Continuously review and optimize your bot settings to maximize efficiency and potential returns. Smart management is key to long-term success with trading bots.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.